Hey fans, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making Baked Ziti. Let's get started. So now we're going to boil our noodles. While the noodles are cooking, we're going to season the chicken and put it in a pan. So now we're going to put it in a pan. Right. So now my dad's going to cut some onions. Guys, let me tell you something real quick. Remember when we said about the sharp knife safety? Well, this is happening right now. Don't try this at home, kids. Get adult supervision. Right, Dad?
Yeah, that's right.
And now, let's do the other one. So now we're going to pull the chicken out. Don't try this at home. Ah. Now let's dump the onions and capers. Or capers. We saute our onions. Now I'm going to add the sliced chopped pepperoni. And you go. So now we're gonna put a little bit of cheese in it and some chicken. Look at that chicken. We're gonna add some to the ziti. Now let's add the cheese and the sauce. Add more cheese. And Daddy's gonna do the sauce. Dun, 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 dun. Now my dad is adding the sauce. Yeah, baby, more cheese. I think I tried one of these before. I don't know.
That looks good, Troy.
Yeah.
Pile it on there.
Yeah. With the chicken. Chicken. So now we're gonna put the ziti in the oven. Look at it go. Look at it go. Go, go, go. And here's our baked ziti. I think this is a really good time to end out the video here. It's been so fun to do this with you, but I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. So if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!